Ward's trogon, Harpactes wardi, is a species of bird in the family Trogonidae. Its range includes the northeastern parts of the Indian subcontinent, stretching eastwards to Southeast Asia. It is found in Bhutan, India, Tibet, and Myanmar. It also has a disjunct population in northern Vietnam, but there are no recent records from there. Its natural habitats are temperate forests and subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. It is threatened by habitat loss. Its common name and Latin binomial commemorate the English botanist and explorer Francis Kingdon-Ward. Ward's trogon measures 35 to 38 cm, 14 to 15 in length, and weighs 115 to 120 grams, 4.1 to 4.2 ounces. The male have a pink-red breast, belly, undertail, and forehead, and the chest, back, and wings and upper tail are dark slate with a maroon wash. The tip of the bill is deep red. The plumage of the female matches the male, but the red is replaced with yellow. In the dark, parts are dark olive. The female's beak tip is yellow, and both sexes have a blue ring around the eye. Ward's trogon ranges from Bhutan and Arunachal in northeastern India and into northern and eastern Myanmar and southern China in western Yunnan. A disjunct population was reported to be common in Fancy Pan in Vietnam in 1939, but there are no modern records of that species there. The species is generally montane, usually occurring between 1,500 to 3,200 meters. 4,900 to 10,500 feet, but occasionally coming down as low as 300 meters. 980 feet there is some evidence that it moves to lower altitudes in winter. The preferred habitat of Ward's trogon is subtropical hill forest, dominated by quercus and castanopes in temperate, broadly evergreen forest. Within these forests, it is found in the understory, undergrowth, and within bamboo stands. This species is not a common one, although it can be locally common in some locations. It was treated as vulnerable by the IUCN in the 1990s. But secure populations have been found in Bhutan, so it is presently listed as near threatened. Little is known about the behavior of Ward's trogon. It feeds on insects, including moths, stick insects, grasshoppers, and bugs, as well as large seeds. Its nests have not been found or described, but birds in breeding condition have been found in March and April.